Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the preparing automatic repair loop in Windows 11. First, wait until you reach the blue Choose an Option screen. From there, select Troubleshoot and then click Advanced Options. Next, choose Startup Repair. Windows will scan your computer for common startup issues and automatically try to fix them. Allow the process to finish. If the problem began after a recent Windows update, go back to Troubleshoot and Advanced Options. Select Uninstall Updates. Start by removing the latest quality update. If the issue continues, you can also uninstall the latest feature update. Once the update is removed, restart your computer and see if the repair loop has been resolved. If Windows still won't boot, you can reset the operating system without deleting your personal files. Go to Troubleshoot and select Reset this PC. Choose the Keep My Files option. Windows will reinstall itself while preserving your personal data. Follow the instructions on the screen and wait for the process to complete. After the reset is finished, your computer should be able to start normally again. Thanks for watching.